Welcome back to AI Business Autopilot. In this video we're building a Customer Success Autopilot. A no-code system that tracks account health, flags renewal risk early, and auto-prepares your QBR decks. Here's the outcome. First, a daily health score that's explainable, not a black box. Second, renewal risk that combines trends, events, and contract timing, so you see trouble early. And third, a QBR autopilot that fills the deck and even gives you talking points in the notes. Most renewal surprises aren't caused by lack of effort. They're caused by delayed signals and manual operations. Product usage drops, support sentiment changes, and billing signals show up. But they're scattered. Autopilot brings the signals together and triggers the next best action automatically. This is the whole architecture. Pull signals from your product, CRM, support, billing, and surveys. A no-code router like Zapier or Make runs daily and on key events. It computes a health score, applies renewal risk rules, triggers playbooks, and pushes outputs to Slack, your CRM, and your QBR deck. The secret is to keep your model small and explainable. Most teams only need 5 to 7 signals. Think usage and adoption, plus support load, sentiment, and commercial timing. If a CSM can't explain the score in one sentence, leadership won't trust it and automation won't get used. Start with a simple 0 to 100 score. A common baseline is usage and adoption as the majority. Then support load, sentiment, and commercial timing. Don't obsess over perfect weights on day 1. Obsess over trust. Show the top drivers, keep thresholds visible, and store score history, so trends are obvious. These are example thresholds. The point isn't that your numbers match, the point is transparency. Every metric has a green, yellow, and red band. This makes the score auditable and easy to debug. Start with rules first. Once you have 6 to 12 months of history, you can validate and refine with a predictive model. Renewal risk is not just a score. It's the combination of trend, events, and timing. A small drop is okay if renewal is far away, but the same drop inside a 60-day window is urgent. So, route accounts into green, yellow, and red with clear actions: expansion, stabilization, or escalation. Once you have consistent risk levels, you can automate playbooks. Yellow means stabilize, notify the CSM, create a recovery task, and trigger enablement. Red means save, escalate, open an exec thread, and generate a success plan. Green means expand, advocacy, upsell triggers, and proactive QBR agendas. Automation creates the work, humans still do the work. Implementation is straightforward. Trigger on a schedule and on important events. Pull signals from APIs, webhooks, or even a daily CSV export. Compute the score, write it back to the CRM. Then branch with if-else logic, create tasks, send Slack alerts, and when a QBR is due, generate slides and an agenda automatically. Dashboards should drive action, not reporting. At a minimum, show the health trend for key accounts, and a risk view that explains how many customers are sitting in each band. Most importantly, display the drivers and the next best action, plus an owner and a due date, so risk becomes work, not just a label. Now the QBR autopilot. Instead of rebuilding slides, you keep a single template. The workflow pulls KPIs, summarizes wins and risks, auto-populates charts, and even generates your talk track in speaker notes. Your job becomes review and strategy, not formatting. Here's a one-slide QBR summary. At the top, the score, risk level, and adoption. Below, what changed, the business impact, and the next 90-day plan. The autopilot can generate most of this from your health history, support tickets, stakeholder changes, and your playbook outputs. Then you polish it before the meeting. Here's a practical rollout plan. In the first 30 days, define signals and thresholds, calculate the score, and write it back to the CRM. By day 60, route green, yellow, and red accounts and automate a few playbooks. By day 90, add the QBR Autopilot and tune weights based on actual renewals. Two things make these systems fail: bad definitions and missing governance. Create one definition for each signal, enforce data freshness, and keep an audit log of score changes. Always allow exceptions and manual override. And avoid black box scores if the team can't verify or improve it, they won't use it. To make this easy to implement, package your work as templates: a health score sheet, routing rules, playbooks, and a QBR deck template. If you want the template pack, comment Autopilot. And subscribe for weekly no-code automations that help you scale revenue operations and customer success.